Hello everyone, I'm Cheryl from Camping with the Coles, and today we're going to do a short video for you on how you can refresh your RV toilet. What I have here is a Twusch Porcelain toilet insert. It is from a small family-run company in Alberta, Canada that sell North American-wide. The Twusch is a scratch-resistant porcelain insert that goes into Thetford toilets. Over time, as plastic toilet bowls get older, they develop scratches and hold odors. That as well can cause toilet bowls to lose their slipperiness. This fits over top of the plastic and seals into place. Then the odors are eliminated and you have a nice slippery surface for the bad stuff to go down the toilet. And it uses less water because the bowl is more narrow. Each Twusch is custom fit for each model of Thetford toilets. Full disclosure, this product arrived to us fully unannounced. We've had no prior contact with the company. Boy, did I laugh when I opened the box. Boy, they must know this queen of the toilet very well. So we reached out to the company and they gave us a discount code for the viewers. We'll put more of that information at the end of the video. In order to find out the model of your Thetford toilet, you can look in your manual if you still have it. If you don't, you can look on the toilet. Ours says Thetford right on the seat, but on the back, you might have to use your phone and take a picture. It'll say the model number. A quick Google search shows that the model number is an Aqua Magic 5. Make sure you order the Twusch for your exact model of your toilet. I'm going to show you what comes in the package when you order your Twusch. The package comes with everything you see here. There's the porcelain toilet bowl insert, a pair of latex disposable gloves, a package of Beta Clean with 2 cleaning pads, some silicone sealant, a microfiber cloth, a couple wooden spatulas, a bottle of Nanotol 2-in-1 cleaner protector, and installation instructions. I went ahead and got my own smaller latex gloves because the ones they send I think are probably large and that's a little too big. So let's get started. Put on the latex gloves, then give the plastic toilet bowl a good cleaning. Finish up with one of the Beta Clean cleaning pads. Make sure you get around the rim where the insert is going to be sealed. Use the second Beta Clean pad to clean the insert. Make sure you get the top edge where the sealant is going to be applied. Ensure the toilet bowl and insert are dry. Then place the insert in the toilet, making sure it fits and doesn't interfere with flushing. Cut the cap off from the tube, place the nozzle on the end, cut the nozzle about halfway up at an angle. Insert the plunger into the back of the tube. Put a bead of sealant around the top edge between the insert and the toilet bowl. Try to do it as smoothly as possible without putting too much or too little on. Use one of the wooden spatulas to go over the sealant to remove excess sealant. Keep wiping off the spatula into a rag or paper towel to get rid of the excess. I found it helped to then go over it with my finger. With the glove on, I dipped my finger in water and ran it across the seal to smooth it out. Clean up any overflow of sealant with a rag or paper towel to make it look good and smooth. When it looks like a good clean seal, let it sit for 24 hours. After sitting for 24 hours, spray on the Nanotol and buff it in with a microfiber cloth. This helps to seal and protect everything, keeping it smooth. You can periodically spray on some more Nanotol and buff it with the cloth just to keep things running smoothly. That's it. The Twusch porcelain insert is installed and ready to use. There'll be less water, less cleaning, and everything slides much easier. To check out the latest prices, you can just click on the link in the description below. Twusch is offering a 10% discount to our viewers. All you have to do is enter CWTC, Camping with the Coles, at the checkout. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy camping!